The other part of it, we talk about the infrastructure, we talk about all these LLMs, all these AI applications, but what are businesses doing? Are people actually using this stuff? 2023 was all about sort of the new technology, 2024 was all about these pilots in businesses, and there was a lot of talk about whether businesses were just seeing this as a cost-cutting tool rather than the ability to generate revenue or create new business models as well. Has that changed? That's the question I put to Tanuja Randery, who is the head of EMEA for Amazon Web Services, one of the big cloud players and AI players. Let's listen in.
52%, so over half of businesses are using AI consistently. And I think that's an important point. You do see a difference. Startups tend to be digitally very native, right? They're adopting AI into the core of their R&D, their product platforms, etc., end to end. And of course, they work with smaller companies and employees, right? So they're going to have to go lean in. We're seeing enterprises consistently use it too. However, they are more using it from a productivity benefit perspective. That isn't unusual because given the legacy that they have, they start to unleash the productivity benefit, reinvest that back into growth and revenue generation. So interesting point. 90% plus of businesses are saying to us that it's revenue growth that they're seeing from AI rather than just the pure classic efficiency. So you do see a difference, but there is absolute now, we are no longer in piloting only. We're really in delivering real business value. And BT is a very good example. I mean, they're a big company. We're doing a lot of great work with them. They've unleashed the Amazon Q solution to let their developers free up their time from tedious tasks. And that means those developers can put that time back in thinking about the next generation of products. So I think there's more to go for sure, but this is the time I think we see phenomenal lean in actually.
That was AWS's EMEA head there. A couple of interesting things, saying that she's now seeing businesses starting to generate revenues with these AI tools and freeing up time potentially for other tasks as well, which I thought was an interesting part. And I think that's why you're seeing so much focus from the government level, because they're seeing this technology as a way potentially to unlock economic growth.